All right, welcome back to my channel. So take two. I have filmed this already, but in a true dumbass YouTuber fashion, I actually forgot to press the record button. So let's do this again. I have about 6 hats here, which I have unboxed in my previous video, which I didn't film. But let's get into this again. And before we start, please do me a favor and subscribe. Thank you. I'm going to start with the first two, which are the affordable ones. These were 9 and 7 euros each. Surprisingly well made. I'm going to start with this, with the Easy Season camo inspired print. Very nice. This has a fleece interior, so it's more of a winter hat with a Velcro strap. This is really nice. And I'm going to continue with another cheap hat. I'm actually really surprised how well these are made. All the stitches are straight, there are no loose threads. I like this a lot. And now let's continue with the name brand hats. And this is a Guess strapback, which has some loose threads, unlike these cheap ones. Big embroidery on the front. I like that. I actually have a similar one right there. I like this embroidery, can never go wrong. Green and red, come on. And these next 4 hats were about 28 euros. The average price, which is extremely low. Let's continue with this Tommy Hilfiger. I wanted a yellow hat. Again, more loose threads. This is more like a mustard gold-ish colorway. Anyway, you have the flag here, the medium-sized flag. Nothing on the back except for the flag on the clasp. Moving on to the second to last hat. This is a Karl Lagerfeld strap-back with the classic logo Karl on the clasp. And you already know I'm going to take this label from the inside and put it here, maybe on the strap. I wanted another red hat in my collection and I like this a lot. Alright, and just to finish off the video, because of course I'm running out of battery, look at this. Ferrari hat. Now this is really nicely made. Unfortunately this is Puma, but this label is going to disappear as soon as I stop the video. And of course this is an official Ferrari licensed product, no bullshit around here, with the hologram. Probably one of my all-time favorite hats ever. I absolutely love this hat. Of course the logo here, the crest, was protected by some plastic. That's the end of the video. Quick hats unboxing. Now I think my collection is about 75 hats. Thank you for watching. See you next time.